Ensuring student privacy and data security is the single most important responsibility you have as an evidence-driven decision maker. In this video, we'll be discussing the key legal frameworks for data security for educators here in the United States, and we'll be covering some best practices for data security. Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney, and here we talk all about education research and data. So if you're into that, be sure to subscribe to this channel and come be a part of our community. In our connected age, data is a double-edged sword. While it fosters personalized education and insights, it can be a vulnerability if mishandled. Let's begin today by reviewing the legal framework that governs student data security here in the United States. First up, we have the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA. This is a U.S. federal law that's all about keeping student records private and secure. FERPA ensures that parents have the right to access their child's educational records and provides guidelines on how schools can share this information. It is the backbone of student privacy in the educational system, so getting familiar with FERPA is a must. Next, let's talk about the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, commonly known as COPPA. This law controls how online services and websites collect information from kids under the age of 13. In today's digital age, where education often involves online tools, COPPA is more relevant than ever. It's designed to give parents control over what information is collected from their young children while online, ensuring that privacy is maintained even in a virtual space. Another crucial piece of legislation that safeguards our students is the Protection of Pupil Rights Amendment, or PPRA. This law focuses on the rights of parents to inspect and review any educational material used as part of their children's curriculum, especially when these materials are funded by federal programs. Importantly, PPRA also addresses surveys and assessments that collect personal information from our students. It requires schools to obtain parental consent before minors are involved in certain types of surveys that might ask about personal issues, such as political affiliations, psychological conditions, sexual behaviors, and more. The PPRA is designed to ensure that parents are fully informed about what their children are exposed to at school and that they have a say in protecting their children's privacy. And it doesn't stop at the federal level. Many states have enacted their state-specific laws that tailor, complement, and sometimes strengthen these federal directives. These can vary widely, so it's important to be aware of the specific privacy laws and regulations that apply in your state. These laws might introduce additional requirements or provide greater protections on top of what FERPA and COPPA already cover. By keeping abreast of FERPA, COPPA, PPRA, and your own state-specific laws, you're not just complying with legal requirements, but you're also upholding a trust that parents place within educational institutions to protect their children's privacy. Let's discuss some best practices to ensure data privacy for our students is never compromised. First and foremost, we must limit access. It's essential that only authorized personnel have the ability to view sensitive records. This means setting strict permissions on who can see what, ensuring that student data is protected from unauthorized access. Next up is regular training. This cannot be overstated. Every member of our staff, from administrators to teachers, should be updated annually on data protection protocols in your school. This keeps everyone aware of the latest practices and protocols and ensures that our schools remain a fortress against data breaches. Moving on to technology, we must use encrypted platforms. Whether we're storing data in the cloud or using communication tools to discuss student progress, encryption is crucial. It protects the data from being intercepted by unauthorized parties and ensures that sensitive information remains confidential. Finally, it's important to partner wisely. When we collaborate with technology partners, we need to choose those who comply with education data laws. This means doing our homework and ensuring that any third-party services we use understand and adhere to the same high standards we set for ourselves in protecting our students' data. As evidence-driven educators, our mandate extends beyond imparting knowledge. It's about forging an environment of trust, security, and respect. By understanding and upholding data security laws, we're not just ticking regulatory boxes. We are creating a legacy of responsibility and care. If you found value in this video today, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out some of the other videos in this playlist. I'll see you next time.